yung budget proposed for all of this?
Thank you so much. If you've noticed with programs and activities, especially with the local government, together talking about the provincial, and then of course we have Honorable Governor Bong Mansol. Of course, we have budget, wherein na-procure sa kanilang budget section. And we are on the part of the effect, the result of those projects. Kaya mas maganda na yung invitation na kanilang binigay, kailangan natin mag-join for those programs and contests na binigay po kanina. And that will be tomorrow. Marami silang activities and programs, and of course, siguro yung mga prizes, kaya yung mga sa mga nanalo, absolutely meron din silang ready and prepared for that.
So there is no estimated budget for this activity? No estimation, even estimation.
Okay, for the estimation coming from the local government or the province, maybe we can have 3 million for that. For hold a day for a day activities with lots of programs and activities. Lahat po, kasama po yun